Welcome to ClearTask. If your Wi-Fi is not showing up on your Windows 11 laptop, here is how to fix it step by step. First, let's check the basics. Click on the Start menu and open Settings. Select Network and Internet from the left panel. Make sure the Wi-Fi toggle is turned on and ensure that flight mode is completely disabled. If the Wi-Fi option is still missing, we need to check the Windows wireless service. Press the Windows key plus R on your keyboard to open the Run dialog box. Type services.msc and press Enter. Scroll down near the bottom of the list and locate WLAN AutoConfig. Right-click on it and make sure its status says Running. If it is already running, click Restart to refresh the connection. If that didn't resolve the issue, let's perform a complete network reset. Go back to Settings, select Network and Internet, and click on Advanced Network Settings. Scroll down and select Network Reset. Click on Reset Now. Confirm by clicking Yes and let your laptop restart. Finally, if you still don't see your Wi-Fi networks, press the Windows key plus R again, type msconfig and hit Enter. Go to the Services tab. Click Disable All, then immediately click Enable All. Click Apply, then OK, and restart your computer to refresh all underlying system services. That's it. One of these methods should get your Wi-Fi back up and running. Thanks for watching ClearTask. And don't forget to subscribe for more straightforward tutorials.